In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set due dates for tasks in Todoist. Setting clear due dates is one of the simplest and most powerful ways to stay organized, and Todoist makes this really straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic process, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to assign a due date to any task and keep your projects on track. First, open Todoist on your computer or in your browser and go to the project or inbox where your task is located. Take a moment to scan through your list and decide which task you want to schedule. This could be something simple, like buy groceries, or something more complex, like prepare presentation. Click on that task to select it. When you select a task, you'll usually see a small detail panel appear on the right side of the screen, or a pop-up window if you're using a different layout. This panel is where you can adjust everything related to that task, including the due date. Next, look for the date area inside the task details. In Todoist, this is typically shown as a small label or button that might say something like schedule, today, tomorrow, or it might just show a calendar icon. Click on that date section. As soon as you do, a date picker or scheduling window will open. This is your main tool for choosing exactly when you want the task to be due. Now it's time to select your date. You'll usually see a mini calendar along with quick options like today, tomorrow, or next week. If the task is urgent, choosing today or tomorrow might be best. For something less urgent, click on a specific day in the calendar. You can also navigate between months if you're planning further ahead. Think about when you realistically want to complete this task, not just the earliest possible time, so your schedule stays manageable. Once you've clicked on your chosen date, Todoist will automatically apply it to the task. You should see that date appear right next to the task name or in the task details. There's no need for a separate save button in most cases. The change is applied immediately. If you decide later that the due date doesn't work, you can repeat the exact same process. Click on the task, click on the date, and choose a new one. That's all there is to it.